So, just weeks before Google's major hardware event on August 13th, significant leaks have unveiled the design of the much-anticipated Pixel Fold 2, also known as the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. While details about the Pixel 9 series have been abundant, the foldable phone remained largely a secret until now. Regulatory photos from Taiwan's National Communications Commission provide a comprehensive look at the Pixel Fold 2, highlighting substantial design changes from its predecessor. The first Pixel Fold surprised many with its wide passport-style outer display. This time, Google appears to take inspiration from the OnePlus Open foldable phone, opting for a taller and narrower outer screen that promises more usable space. Additionally, the leak shows a significant departure from Google's signature camera bar design on the back. The Pixel Fold 2 features a new bulkier camera housing, intended to stabilize the phone when placed on a flat surface. The inner display has also undergone a transformation. The leaked photos depict a taller and narrower screen compared to the original Fold, with Google seemingly reducing the bezels for a more immersive experience. However, the under-display selfie camera has shifted from the bezel to a punch hole cutout in the top left corner, which might disrupt the viewing experience for some users. Another key detail from the leaks is the Pixel Fold 2's battery. It seems to have a slightly smaller 4,560 mAh battery compared to the original Fold's 4,727 mAh. Given that battery life wasn't a standout feature of the first Pixel Fold, this could raise concerns. However, leaks suggest Google's latest Tensor processor might offer improved efficiency, potentially mitigating these battery life issues. The NCC filing also revealed a new 45 watts USB-C charger, likely to be included with at least some Pixel devices this year. While the Pixel Fold 2 is the highlight of these leaks, the NCC filing also included photos of the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL, indicating their presence at the August 13th event. With the official launch just around the corner, these leaks build anticipation for Google's next big release. The design updates for the Pixel Fold 2 promise a device that not only meets current trends, but also improves upon its predecessor's shortcomings. The August 13th event will reveal the complete picture, including all details about the Pixel 9 series. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel Fold 2? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.